day going? I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves out there. So I've got both my little sweethearts with me. Yeah, hello babies. Yeah, we're both hanging out with Mum today, aren't we? Hey? Yeah, who's a beautiful baby girl? And then we've got my buddy boy on this one. Yeah. How's my babies? Hey? Oh, you're doing your little flirt with Mum. Hi, baby. What do you reckon, mister? Oh, what's that? That's pasta. A piece of pasta? Yum. Yeah. What is it? It's pasta. Yeah, that's something new, isn't it? Yeah. Hey? Do you like the pasta? Yeah, something different, isn't it, buddy? Yeah, give you something to chew on for your beak. Yeah? How's that? My cheeky boy. Oh, here's Echo. Hello, Echo. How are you, my sweetheart? Was I not giving you enough attention? Hello, beautiful. You didn't want to try any pasta? You just want to have sook? Hey? Yeah. Hey, guys. Yeah, we're going to get some more pasta? Yeah. Come on. How's that, my beautiful boy? You like the pasta? Yeah, something different, isn't it? My little man, he's been a little cheeky boy, haven't you? Yeah, say hello, everybody. Hey? Hello. What? Who's a cheeky boy? Mwah. Hey, peekaboo. Give me a kiss. Mwah. What? Is that all you've got to say to everybody? What? What? Say what you're doing. Yeah. Say hello, everyone. What you do? What are you doing? A tiggy boy. Yeah, my tiggy. What doing? What you do? You be beautiful, baby? What are you doing? Mwah. Oh, are you hiding in there, Echo? Yeah. Hello, beautiful baby. Yeah, you in there? Hi, guys. Hello, beautiful girl. Yeah, hello, baby. What are you doing in there? Hello, gorgeous. Beautiful girl. Hey, cheeky boy. Alright, guys, have a great day and take care of yourselves, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.